Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over Quant. Right now, Quant is trading at $185.32. 24-hour volume, we were up 59%, and market cap, we are up 9.96%. So heading over to our daily chart here, we actually bounced really nicely as we were talking in my last video here. Essentially, we are riding the 20 moving average as a really nice support. Most importantly, on October 13th, we can see that the wick at the very bottom, essentially touched the 20 moving average and bounced really nicely. So that's what we were hoping for yesterday. Which essentially we did. We touched it and then moved up with this engulfing candlestick. You can see that the spinning top candlestick at the very bottom, wasn't equal of the bulls and the bears, and essentially that fight over who was going to win that rally. And we get this really nice reversal pattern here. So essentially, remember, today is not done quite yet. We did have a shallow pullback compared to the other pullbacks and corrections that we have had for Quant as we were moving up and retesting this. So long as this continues and we're able to hold on to our 20 moving average, then essentially this bull run is not over as a primary trend for Quant itself. As we can see already, this engulfing candlestick is beautiful, but so long as we end today in this engulfing candlestick, then we are going to come up and we are going to, ultimately come back up to the highs of $228 and possibly $230 again if we continue this run here for Quant. Now, one of the things here, we are going to initiate a buying opportunity on a daily chart, but we are going to be taking a look at other factors before that does occur or when that occurs. Now, another thing too that we were having such a huge stride of this uptrend on a daily time frame is our moving average. You can already see again September 6th, it continued in the green bars and continue the strong momentum. But however, we can see that the closer it's getting, the closer the momentum is slowing down. We saw it in the previous candlesticks here. We were in the prime and then we were coming down and we're pulling back and correcting the marketplace. However, we do see these two lines coming together. So this may be an end of the momentum for Quant if we do see that crossover, but we're hoping again the expansion that we're going to see and a retest of the $228. Heading over to a 4-hour time frame, I wanted to show you guys how nicely these fib charts actually occurred too. After the rejection here from the 20 moving average, of course, breaking through it and then treating it as a resistance line, but most importantly, the retracement levels that we were able to see. So here, 78% retracement level all the way down to 61%. A few of our candlesticks were able to hold here. And then most importantly, 50%, again, a few of our candlesticks retraced into this zone, not actually bounced it really nicely, and then 38% of our fib as well. So as we can see, the price itself is considered to be overbought with our RSI. We see the momentum flip from the red to the green. Beautiful. We are over the 20 moving average. Beautiful again. Now we are going to break out for Quant pretty soon. We can see the Bollinger Bands squeezing in. They're narrowing, meaning lower volatility. And when we do see that pinch, then essentially we are going to come up and break areas of resistance lines. So roughly around the 201 is essentially where we want, but most importantly, we want to break above the 188, because if we break above the 188 and close above it, like what we just previously did here, then we are going to continue upwards, because from the breakout of our 20 moving average, essentially we can have a false breakout and then come back down and break below the 20 moving average. If we can close one more candle up, we are going to continue to come up to the $201. Now, again, retracement levels were very important when we were taking a look at the areas of drop in the MACD indicator showing us in the red. So we're going to pull out a new fib chart from here. Essentially all the way, let's take this point right here at the very top here, because that's where initially we saw that crossover from here. Now, one of the things here we can see is almost a touch from 78% to our 50%. So this is going to be a high confluence area, a high area of interest. If price does come down here, not only that we have a crossover, but we have multiple moving averages around this zone. So we have our 20 moving average and we have our 50 moving average around 61%. If we're able to bounce off really nicely at 61% or 50%, price is going to continue upwards and retest the 201 area. We do see that the volume is slowly picking downward. So right now, so far, we're at 11,000 compared to the previous candlestick at 28,000. But so far, momentum's looking pretty good for our MACD indicator. It's only a matter of fact of where the price is going to correct itself, either at 61%. If it does stop at 61%, momentum is going to be stronger compared to the 50% at $177. Let me know what you guys think down below. That's kind of my outlook for quant for today. I do feel like we are going to retest the $200 so far if momentum is going to be strong enough for us, and if we are able to make, again, very, very small corrections. We don't want shallow corrections as we saw back here on October 17th, because quant dropped significantly low around the $159 range or $158 range. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you found this video insightful, smash that like button for me. Also subscribe if you're new, but I will see you next time. Bye.